The Institute of Export and International Trade's annual MemberCon is back for 2023.
Whether it's getting inspired by your peers or getting answers to your most pressing trade and customs questions,
you can find what you're looking for at our annual Member Conference, taking place this year on the 5th of July in Liverpool.
A day available to both members and non-members of the Institute.
The day will see 2 work streams highlighting the challenges faced by British businesses, like yours, in international markets, and offering practical solutions to help you overcome these.
With enhanced networking opportunities, you'll also be able to learn and share best practice with other delegates on the day.
You can expect to meet both the UK's most successful exporters and those businesses just starting out in international trade,
as well as trade professionals from across the supply chain.
So secure your tickets today.
And don't miss out on what's sure to be a great event.